Don't stop. Rukna mat. You did not come this far to just come this far. You have to believe that your purpose is bigger than what you can see right now. You are more than what you have become, my friend, and you cannot stop. The fact that you're still here, still on this path, still on this journey, that is a testimony that God has bigger plans for you. It might not be visible now, things might not be unfolding the way you want them to unfold right now, but trust me, the plan is still on, because the plan was prepared long before you were sent to this planet. It was your soul contract. God remembers his promise he made to you. Okay, so do not fear, do not stop. It's okay to rest, it's okay to just sit for some time, it's okay to sit and pray, but do not think of giving up. Your life has just started. There's entire life waiting for you. There is so much you are meant to become, there's so much you're meant to accomplish, there's so many lives you are meant to touch. You cannot give up, my friend. I know it is dark, I know it is disappointing, I know the light is not coming, you cannot see light, but eventually you will. There is no way you won't. Life may, the extent you go down is the extent you will rise up. So whenever you're going down, remember that your up is around the corner. And whenever you're going down, go down head on with this faith and belief that my time will come. And when the divine time comes, you will bounce back double height. You will go somewhere else. You will rise exponentially. It's okay. It's when things are going against you, when the odds are not in your favor, everything is going against you, when you're going down, that is when your character is being defined, tested, my friend. A human being who can survive in extreme lows, when he or she is at zero, and still smile, still inspire, still choose to be hopeful, still choose to love God, still choose to have faith in God and themselves. That is when your character gets defined. That is when God is polishing you. Okay, you are meant to be bigger than you ever thought. So if God is sending challenges to you, just stand still. Okay, God will also fight those battles for you. Your job is to keep standing on the battleground. It is all about survival of the fittest, my friend. The more you stand, the more you win. God is your companion, so do not give up. Sab sahi hoga. I know you have given your 1000%. I know things are not happening the way you want them to. It's okay. Some days you won't even feel like getting off the bed. It's okay. It's your time. Recharge, rejuvenate, reflect, and rebounds. Bounce back and start over again. Your job is to be disciplined. No matter what goes against you, you will wake up, you will do your task, you will do everything as you should, as you must, and you shall then surrender it to God. God is seeing everything. Okay, pray, pray. That is the only mantra I can give you. Chant, do naam jap, whatever naam is favorite to you. Keep doing the naam jap to relax your mind, to feel good, to calm down your senses. Okay, do whatever you can do. Visualize, meditate, pray, do the small daily efforts that you can do. Stay positive, smile a lot, inspire people, give good energy to people, be kind, and just be present in the moment. Okay, just live each moment and be grateful for every moment. That's the best you can do right now, my friend. And remember, you did not come this far just to come this far. So rukna mat. You cannot stop, you cannot give up. I will not let you give up. All right. Okay, guys, I'm sure this video was helpful to you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, Pyari Baate, and stay in touch with me. Share my video with at least 5 of your friends who need to hear this video today and be their angel. Help me in my mission to inspire, ignite, transform the lives of 1 billion people on this planet, and let's do good in this world and spread positivity. And do let me know in comments if this video ignited you, and let me know if you are ready. Just comment and say, I am unstoppable, I am unstoppable, I am unstoppable. Okay, guys, and do share your stories with me about your life and what you went through and how you overcame and how you decided not to give up. Maybe this can help somebody else as well in the community. And stay in touch with me. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, and whatever you feel like, you can share with me there personally. I will reply to you personally, help you out. It is all free of cost. And keep loving me, keep showering the love to Pyari Baate. Thank you so much. Read my book Divine Joy to unlock the doors of unlimited happiness.